Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Box, and in this video I will discuss about how I would learn Kubernetes if I were starting today. Mm, okay, so if I were starting Kubernetes today from zero, I would do things very differently compared to how most people start. Uh, in this video, I want to share how I would personally approach learning Kubernetes step by step based on I have seen work and what usually causes people to quit. The first thing I would focus on is Linux basics. I would make sure I'm comfortable using the terminal, understanding processes and basic networking concepts. Without this, Kubernetes feels overwhelming very quickly. Mm, Next, I would spend time on understanding containers and dockers. I would not rush this step because Kubernetes is built around containers, containerized applications. Understanding how containers work make Kubernetes concept much clearer. Uh, After that, I would move into Kubernetes fundamentals. I would focus on understanding what a cluster is, how pods and services work, and how applications are deployed. At this stage, I would prioritize hands on practice over watching too many videos. I would also avoid trying to learn everything at once. Kubernetes is a large ecosystem, and trying to cover everything early usually leads to confusion. I would focus on understanding the core ideas and build slowly from there. Another thing I would do differently is follow a structured learning path. Random tutorials can be useful, but structure helps you stay consistent and avoid burnouts. Finally, I would remind myself that learning Kubernetes takes time. Struggling at the beginning is normal. Progress comes from consistency, not speed. If you are learning Kubernetes right now, I hope this gives you a clearer way to approach it. And thanks for watching. See you till the next video.